Hey, before we start off, I want to friendly ask you to like, subscribe, and click on the bell! Now let's continue with this video. In this tutorial, I want to explain how you can quickly hide all the drawings that you have added to the chart. So for example, now you can see Bitcoin on the daily chart. I have added a trend line, I have added a price channel, I also have added a support zone. And let's say if I just want a clear overview without all the drawing tools added to the chart, how you can do that very quickly. You just have to go to this option over here in the menu, and if you hover over it, you can see what it does. It says hide all drawings. So you can click on it one time. Now you see that all the drawings disappear. So if I click on it again, now you see everything is back again. So that's a helpful feature. And that's by default. The volume indicator is also added on the chart. And let's say you want also that the indicators will disappear. Then you can click on this arrow to the right with your left mouse button one time. Now you see a few different options of things you can hide. You can hide the drawings, but you can also hide indicators. So if I select hide indicators, now you see that only the indicators will be not visible. But if I select hide all, then the indicator as well as all the drawing tools will be hidden. So if I want to set everything back, just click on this icon again. You can double tap it and then everything becomes visible again. And if you click on the arrow to the right, then you can select certain things that you want to hide. So for example, only the drawings or only the indicators or hide all. So that's a helpful feature. I hope you found this video helpful. If that's the case, I want to friendly ask you to like, subscribe, and click on the bell! Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and I hope to see you back again in another video.